The Association for Talent Development reported that using e-learning for knowledge transfer has expanded in recent years. However, the majority of trainings are still being delivered by instructor-led methods. Students agree knowledge is easily forgotten after the class. This phenomenon was initially identified by the German psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus in 1885. He proposed the now famous forgetting curve. He pointed out that information learned will be lost over time when there is no attempt to retain it. That's why the training and development industry is advocating knowledge consolidation after formal training. Huawei Learning Services recommends e-learning for knowledge consolidation of instructor-led training. But how to make more effective use of e-learning? This has become a major concern for managers. Operators purchase e-learning courses, but sometimes the course and courseware do not meet the student's expectation. Different levels of students have different expectations of how e-learning should benefit them. Junior staff expect formal learning, whereas senior staff prefer informal methods of e-learning. How to encourage learners to be more involved in e-learning. Huawei's extensive research shows staff expect e-learning to focus on three main areas: reviewing knowledge content, browsing Huawei references, accessing Huawei expert resources and lab resource. Huawei's eClass packaged solutions focus on individual needs, overcoming traditional learning limitations by providing more than just training. The standard package provides the traditional instructor-led training. Customers can choose the training location and delivery method. Huawei's eLab can be used when training delivery is on-site or via virtual classroom. The silver package provides additional learning support for enhanced learning effectiveness. Learners can view training materials and reference for a period of time after training completes. The gold package provides extra performance support to assist learners beyond traditional learning environments. Learners can access Huawei's eLab for self-paced, hands-on practice and ask Huawei's experts questions on topics learned. Learners can also access Huawei's video database for self-paced learning. Huawei's eClass allows multiple access methods like mobile apps, web browsers, and WeChat. Huawei eClass solution can not only help your staff to be the best they could be, but also be your most trusted staff performance support tool.